Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we've got a CAT 2017 question. I'm Prashant. I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this video explanation for this question for you. Before you go through the video explanation, I'll request you to solve this question, go through the passage, and then get back to this question. Now, let's get to this question. The writer praises typewriters for all of the following reasons, except. So you've got to find the one reason where the author has actually not praised typewriters, right, or not highlighted these qualities of typewriters as positives. That answer is option number D. The other three answers can be derived from the context of the passage. Where can we derive these from? Let's refer to the lines. A typewriter demands something particular: attentiveness, that means sorting your ideas, pulling together a kind of order, and organizing details before actually striking off. There can be no thinking on screen with a typewriter, nor are there any easy distractions, no online shopping, no emails, no Twitter, no need for even electricity, perfect for writing in a remote hideaway. The thinking processing is accompanied by the encouraging clack of keys and the ratchet of the carriage return. Ping. Now, the few things that we derive out of this. Unlike computers, they can only be used for typewriting. This is also written in the general sense of the passage as well. Right at the start of the passage, the author highlights that the use of typewriters is very, very focused, right? You only use them for typing, and that makes sure that remember, he says there are no distractions, there is no shopping, there are no emails, no Twitter. You cannot revise what you've typed on a typewriter. The fact that he says that it requires attentiveness means sorting your ideas, pulling together a kind of order and organizing details before actually striking off. It refers to the fact that you cannot revise what you've typed before. So distractions there are no easy distractions, helps us identify option A. Attentiveness helps us identify option B. Typewriters are noisier than computers. Right at the end, he says the thinking process is accompanied by the encouraging clack of keys. So that sound is it's a kind of a passive sound in the background that helps you focus, right? So all these things are described as positive qualities of typewriters. These are reasons why you should use the typewriters. Option number D, typewriters are messier to use than computers. This is not a reason to use a typewriter, right? So this is a negative. This is why you should not be using a typewriter. Hence, option number D is the correct answer here. You need to find something which gives you a reason that this is why you should not be using typewriters. That happens with option number D. Options A, B, C are all positive answer options. Option D is the negative answer option. Hence is our correct answer in the given case. Hopefully so you are clear with the reasoning for this question. Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning.